Parameter queries for an Access app are a bit more complex than they are for desktop databases, so I'll start with a familiar example, filtering for orders by date. Now, because this is more complex, I've divided this section into two parts. In this video, I'll show you how to add parameters to a query, and in the next video, I'll show you how to build the views that let you enter parameters and see the results. To add parameters to the query, you open the database in Access, open your query in Design View, and unlike desktop databases, you ignore the criteria row. What you always do first is start the Query Parameters dialog box, enter a parameter, and choose a data type. This step is critical. You always start here, not the criteria row. You'll use that row, but only after you're done here. Also, please don't put spaces between the words in your identifier. If you do, the query fails. I'll enter a second parameter, and again, no spaces here. Choose a data type, and click OK. Now I go to the criteria row, enter between, and when I start to type the first parameter, I can use IntelliSense or autocomplete. So I double-click, enter AND, start to enter the second parameter, and just double-click again. So now I test the query. Right-click its tab and click Datasheet View. The dialog boxes appear. You fill them out and get a result. But remember one thing, these dialog boxes can't pop up in a browser. Instead, you create a pair of views. The first view lets users enter their parameters, and the second view shows the query's results. So keep going to the next video, and I'll show you how to build both views.